In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable AnyDesk Unattended access step by step so you can connect to a remote device without needing someone there to accept the session every single time. This is super useful for remote support, managing your own devices, or helping family, friends, or clients when they're not available. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on the remote device that you want to access later. This is the computer or laptop you'll be connecting to from another location. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon, which usually looks like 3 lines or 3 dashes. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all of the connection and security options are located. Inside Settings, go to the Access section. If you see a lock icon or an unlock option, click it first so you can make changes. AnyDesk may ask for permission or administrator access, depending on the device settings. After that, locate the Unattended Access section. This is the part that allows you to set up a password so the device can be reached without anyone manually approving the connection. Now click Set Password. Type in a secure password that you will remember, but that is still strong enough to keep your device protected. Then confirm the password by entering it again. Make sure the password is saved correctly, because this is what you'll use when connecting remotely in the future. After that, look for the permission profile option. Choose the permission profile that matches the level of access you want to allow during unattended sessions. Once you've selected the right profile, click Apply to save everything. At this point, unattended access should be enabled on the device. To test it, you can open AnyDesk on another device and try connecting using the AnyDesk address and the password you just created. If everything is set up properly, the connection should go through without requiring someone to click accept on the remote computer. A quick tip before you finish: always use a strong password and only enable unattended access on trusted devices. That helps keep your remote session secure while still giving you the convenience of instant access whenever you need it. If you ever want to change the password later, you can return to the same settings area and update it anytime. So that's how to enable AnyDesk Unattended access in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.